What is inventory turnover ratio? The inventory turnover ratio is used to measure how effectively a business uses its inventory. By dividing the cost of goods sold by the average inventory value during the period, the inventory turnover ratio shows how many times a company has sold and replaced inventory during a given period. The higher the ratio, the better. A low inventory turnover ratio may signal sluggish sales, excess inventory, or carrying the wrong inventory. However, while a higher ratio usually implies strong sales, it may also be the result of insufficient inventory. So it's important to consider the ratio along with revenue growth. Several inventory management challenges can affect the inventory turnover ratio, including changing customer demand, poor supply chain planning, and overstocking. Since the ratio can signal both positive and negative performance, it must be considered with other metrics. For example, declining inventory turnover ratio may signal diminishing demand, while an increase because of discounts or closeouts may negatively impact profitability and return on investment. Knowing the inventory turnover ratio on an item-by-item basis helps businesses make more informed decisions on pricing, manufacturing, marketing, and purchasing, which all ultimately help the business run more efficiently and profitably.